Today we're going to take a look at the Penlux Masterpiece Grande Wave Limited Edition fountain pen. This is the latest addition to an already really beautiful pen collection. Your pen's going to arrive in a black cardboard sleeve with a cutout showing the Penlux name in gold. When you pull that box out, you'll see the interior box that has a black exterior and then that interesting blue pop in the center there. Once you open it, you have a foam insert followed by your pen, and it's held in by a handy little pen holder, and it is in a plastic zip-locked sleeve. Under the false bottom, you have your pen information, and you'll also find your certificate of authenticity. This nice cream-colored card. On that back side is the information that you'll need to keep on hand. Next, we'll take a look at the Penlux Masterpiece Grande Wave Limited Edition. You slide it out of the sleeve easily, and then there's also another insert inside of there. It's kind of a plastic transparent piece, and this piece is kind of like a warning to read the instructions. They want you to be careful of messing up the piston filling system or damaging your pen. So they're giving you a couple of warnings here about what to do, what not to do in regards to your piston filling system, and also letting you know that there are certain things that you do to your pen that they wouldn't include in the limited warranty coverage. And this is your Penlux Masterpiece Grande Wave Limited Edition fountain pen. This color name is Sky Blue, and it is deep blue with elements of the lighter blue leaning towards white marbled throughout there, and it does have silver trim. And that silver trim can be seen in the pin clip with a really great little embellishment there at the end, and at the top of the pin clip it leads into the first thin ring, and then you have your center ring. In the center ring you see detail along the borders along with the Penlux name on the back side. Then you have your third ring near the back end of the barrel. It is a threaded cap. Both the barrel and the cap are rounded. The pin is postable. It's a friction post. It's a pretty sturdy friction post. And then you have your nib. This is a German stainless steel nib, and it is branded. You'll see the platinum logo there on the nib. Your section does match your barrel. The Penlux Masterpiece Grande Wave fountain pen also has an aluminum alloy piston filling system, which is what they were talking about in that extra warning piece that came with the pen inside that bag when we were unpackaging it. They were giving you an example of how far to twist this piston knob when you're filling your pen. The pen has an extra large barrel size. It also has high-grade Pmma resin material alongside that silver trim, and it just was released here in July 2021. The cap is threaded, and the pen measures about 5.875 inches when it's capped. If you want more information, find it at penchalet.com.